Peace petals, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to show you how to make homemade aloe vera gel. I use aloe vera gel for my face, to tone my skin, to even it out, clear acne, bumps, relief, and heal scars, cuts, scrapes, burns, bruises. The natural properties in aloe vera make it an excellent plant to help with dandruff, dry skin, sensitive skin. It's really great for healing. I also use it for Nova, for dry scalp, for her eczema, for growing her hair because it has extremely moisturizing properties as well. And I also want to show you how I double this as a facial spray and also a perineal spray. So the main intention was for me to show you how I make my perineal spray, but in order to do that, I'll show you how I make aloe vera gel. So I use this for pretty much anything related to my skin and my overall wellness. And this is just the way that's topical so that I can apply it on the skin, on the body. And I also can submerge this into my skincare products and my lotions and my butters to add the same properties into it. So I hope you enjoy this video. I'm just gonna go a little bit deeper. I'll probably voice over it, we'll see what happens. But the perineum, I wanted to touch on that. So during childbirth, this area in particular becomes really sore, and it can either, have cuts and scrapes from the effort of either straining or pushing or contracting those muscles in the pelvic region. And the perineum is located in between the anus and either the scrotum or the vagina. So it's that little bridge area that's kind of like a cylinder, if I had to describe it. If you pinch it in between, you'll feel it's sort of like a thick tissue there. And that area, as I said, can scar, can have hemorrhoids, can be really sensitive and sting if you have cuts, and if you have any perineal tears from childbirth and labor. And it makes it very painful to pee or to defecate, or to poop. And having a perineal spray can help you to soothe that area, keep the area clean, to retighten the skin, because aloe vera has cell regenerative properties. So this was really helpful for me, even though I had like one tiny little cut after giving birth, which was amazing because I was in the supine position, which is kind of the now traditional on your back pushing, and I chose that, which was the difference versus being told to birth in either position. It was just easier for me. If you would like, I'll put the link in my birth video below. But this is just a simple, easy way. It's natural. Aloe vera plants on average cost less than $2 at a farmer's market or wherever it is that you can get aloe vera, so it's definitely a good investment. In this video, I'll use 2 aloe vera plants, but you don't need that much. I'm just using it for multiple purposes, and you can leave it depending on how quickly you used it. When I first made it, I didn't use a preservative. Now I'm using a preservative because I'm making a larger batch, but you can just use the aloe vera in the water and use it immediately. Because I was using it consistently every time I went to the bathroom every day along with my peri bottle, I used no preservative because it went away very quickly. Yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say. I encourage you to look up more about the perineal sprays. You can buy perineal sprays already made. I just prefer to have something that was natural and organic to put on my body because it's such a vulnerable and sensitive part. Our womb space, our yoni space is where we hold our sacred information. That's where we create. And so I wanted to put intention and something natural and nurturing into that space, so that my creations on earth come from the creations of earth itself, and so that translates deeply to my own healing after having that energy center opened, and so that it doesn't get infected, or it's not irritated by anything that I'm putting on it or in it. So thank you so much again for watching this video. I hope it serves you well. Aloe vera, again, is a super plant in my view, and you can also have it in your home and grow it, and it will purify your air. So look up more on aloe vera because it really is one of nature's medicines in multiple ways.
TheAnointedHand, baby.